Hey ladies and gentlemen, sorry for not being here today. I do apologize. I wanted to let you know that today's class does not necessarily put us behind the schedule for getting things completed, but I did want to let you know that today we were going to be working on a rather interesting topic that involves a scientist and his attempt at fighting the good fight against large corporations that were willing to hurt the public, all for profits. And with this kind of historic lesson, not only do you get a chance to learn about the issue with health and humans and profits, but you also, ironically, also get a sense of the age of the Earth and how it was calculated as a kind of a unique side effect of this person doing some research on a particular toxic material. The scientist's name is Claire Patterson, and I'm going to recommend to get the program going. Number 2 right here, Cosmos. If you just click on that and open it up, it will open up with a very large screen, and all you got to do here is click full screen to go and get it to what size screen you need, at which point you'll be able to watch it no problem. But I'm going to go and put a pause here. The volume should be turned up on the front speakers as well as the back speakers, and it should be plenty loud enough to hear, especially if people aren't talking. To help you stay focused on this, yes, there are some questions that I've left with you. However, caveat, or heads up if you will, there are 25 questions on this worksheet. You are only required to tackle 10 of them. However, if you do any of the extra questions on the worksheet, I will give you 0.1 point for every question extra you do. So if you do all 25 questions, you'll get 11.5 out of 10. And so you can do the math and discover that's 115 for a score. And I'd be more than happy to factor this in. I'm not quite sure whether this would go into B layer or A layer, or maybe even C layer. But we can discuss that when I get back. But definitely will be factored in beyond the 100 if you do more than the required 10. So again, you only need to choose 10 questions on this worksheet. Now, any answers like IDK or yes or no are not acceptable. So please think about them, put forth a little bit of effort, and try and get as much of the questions done as possible. So, just want to let everyone know how that works. Then that should actually carry you through the bulk of the class, at which point when I see you guys Wednesday, we'll continue with working on our field geology lab, and as well as any of the other B or A layers that you need to work on. Okay, guest teacher, this is the only news I have, or the only instructions I have for the science class. And when it comes to the study session, students are asked to go and fill in their assignment planner, and then continue working on any other classwork for the day. If you have any questions, please ask Mrs. Linda Jo Diamond in the next row, and she'll be more than happy to help you. All right, thank you very much, you guys. Have a good one. I will see you on Wednesday. Have a good one. Bye-bye.